Hey guys, I'm reviewing this Comfee, a rice cooker, and I'm gonna be going over my favorite things about it as well. Things to keep in mind when buying this product. So as you can see, they have plenty of appliances right here. And this one doesn't take up too much space. And it is able to have a good amount of rice skin cooked inside of it, so that's super awesome. Not only that, but you are able to have a bunch of variety of settings. So some of them just have like the easy on off button. Some super simple, but this really gets into white rice, steamed brown rice, oatmeal, quinoa. Still cook anything you want. So I'm not a big, fancy cook or anything like that. And this has just made my life super easy. And knowing that you put brown rice, I know what to press. I don't have to Google it. I don't have to look anything up. Super convenient. You can even keep it warm. Delay the starting you want super fast. Also super easy to take out. And if you make too much rice, you can put this in the fridge. Store it. It also becomes super easy to clean. The stainless steel makes it easier to throw in the dishwasher and hit that up. The only thing I'll say is that just make sure that nothing really accumulates down there. Extra debris, anything like that. So on the most part, but overall, super happy about it. I love that it's not such a big rice cooker. Some of them, if you want to get this kind of quantity of rice, larger. And this is a lot more small for a high quantity of rice that we're able to get out of it. So really recommend it. Super love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.